Guys, nasa airport kami, guys.
Wow.
Airport yan, guys. Punta kaming, Philippines.
What country are you in? Are you at right now?
Ay, isim pala yun, guys.
What country are you at right now?
What country do you think are you right now? Sir, the service not allowed. Bakit naman? Bakit pipindutin? Please away. Wow, nasa train tayo, guys. Wow. Abay, ipaparace pa kami. Oh, ipaparacing pa kami. Oh, ginawa daw nilang mahirap-hirap para kapag kinaya mo daw, bibigyan ka nilang 1 billion. 1 billion problems.
Oh my God.
Hala. Ito na naman.
Sa baba tayo.
Ano to? Eiffel Tower.
What?
English to Oh, very good. Very good. Ayan. Very nice. Very good. Very beautiful. Wow. Skip na yung paa ko.
Parking.
Sana naman ay makakita kami parking slot dito sa SM. Wow! Ano ba naman kasi to? Maglalakad pa kami patiis? Ha? There? Wala. Yan. Wala pa rin. Guys, nakuha ko kayo kung paano mag-teleport.
What?
Mas kayo mga kotse. Please, bigyan nyo kami parking. Ah? Ay, meron. Ba't yan? Pina-Eiffel Tower na naman kami. Exit naman yan eh. What happened to you? I lost my parking. Parking. May parkingan. Uy. Dito duwan.